Hello students, welcome again. In 7th class, I am going to start exercise 2.1. I will solve question number 1 and 2. There are many parts of both these questions and the topic is fractions. Okay. Today we will study about fractions. So what is a fraction? This is very important question. Fraction means a number of the form A upon B, where A and B are integers and B are real numbers. But in your book, if I consider the scope of your book, there are whole numbers. So in generally we can write real number, but according to the scope of your syllabus we can write real numbers. So it is given whole numbers in your book, then I will consider the same concept. A and B are whole numbers, and a very special condition is there, which is B not equal to 0. So you have to remember this definition: a number of the form A upon B, where A and B both are whole numbers and B is not equal to 0. This condition is very important. Okay, it means A can be 0 but B cannot be 0. B 0 क्यों नहीं हो सकता स्टूडेंट्स? इसलिए कि 0 से डिवीजन अलाउड नहीं है मैथ्स में. आप किसी भी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. That's why B cannot be 0. Now there are different types of fractions. I am going to tell you. First is proper fraction. Second is improper fraction. Okay, and next is like fraction, then unlike fraction. So all these points are given in your book. This is page number 21. Okay, and this is second chapter, fractions. So here are the points. What is a proper fraction? Listen carefully and focus at the board. Proper fraction means a fraction in which numerator is smaller. Okay, for example, now I erase these and consider one by one. Proper means if numerator is smaller than denominator, then it is a proper fraction. This number is called numerator, this is denominator. As you can see, it is smaller than this, so it is a proper fraction. Then about improper fraction. Okay, second is improper fraction. Just reverse the conditions of proper fractions. Means if numerator is bigger than denominator, it is called improper fraction. So maybe it is 7 upon 3, because in first case I considered 3 upon 7, that was proper fraction. But if it is 7 upon 3, it is improper fraction. There are many examples of improper fraction like 4 upon 3, 8 upon 5. So whenever the numerator is bigger than denominator, the fraction is called improper fraction. Third is like fraction. So the fractions in which all the denominators are same, means denominators अगर equal हैं सभी fractions में, तो वो like fractions होंगे. For example, 2 upon 9, 5 upon 9, 7 upon 9, like this. So these are the like fractions. And fourth is unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, if denominators are different, then the fraction is called unlike fractions. For example, 3 upon 4, 7 upon 9, whatever, 8 upon 17. So these fractions are called unlike fractions. Okay, and on the basis of these concepts we will solve the questions, and there are many more concepts regarding fractions. So whenever I will solve the questions, I tell you that concept with that questions also, so it will be more helpful for you. Now students, get ready. I am going to solve the questions of exercise 2.1. all right, it is on page number 24. This is the page of exercise, okay, 24 and exercise 2.1. First question, write each of the following fractions, write each of the following fractions into lowest form. First part is 18/48. Now what is the meaning of lowest form? अभी मैंने आपको बताया था, जब भी हम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे, क्वेश्चन के साथ साथ हम कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करते चलेंगे. ओके, लोएस्ट फॉर्म मीन्स इफ यू कैन डिवाइड द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ बाय एनी नंबर, then the fraction is converted into a simplest form. So if both these numbers are divisible by a single number, ऐसा नहीं करना है कि इसको आप 2 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं और इसको 3 से, not like this. Divide both these by same number. You can see both these are even numbers, so we can try with 2 because all the even numbers are divisible by 2. So the solution of this is divide 18 by 2, you can write 9, okay, and cut this number, you can write 24. So just the meaning of division by 2 means make the half of that number. 18 का half 9 होगा और 48 का half 24 होगा. Again check if both these numbers are divisible by any other number or not. See, this is 9, this is 2 plus 4 6, divisibility test. Okay, so 6 is divisible by 3. Listen again, as you know 9 is divisible by 3. If you remember already that it is divisible by 3, not a problem, but you can check if the number is bigger. So find the sum of digits. 2 plus 4 6, 6 is divisible by 3, then this is also divisible by 3. By 3 we can write 3 3 is 9 and 3 8 is 24. Finally the answer is 3/8. Second part, 120/168. 120/168. Okay students, again if you remember the table of 24, maybe it is divisible, numerator and denominator. So just try with 2, 3, 4 any number. It is not necessary that you start with 2. Okay, अगर आपको ऑलरेडी ये याद है कि ये नंबर्स किसी और बिगर नंबर से डिविजिबल हैं तो आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो if you remember the table of 24, it will be easier. Check, it comes in the table of 24. Yes, 24 5 is 120. It also comes. Now if you don't remember the table of 24, then just try it by another number. Find the sum of these. 1 plus 2 plus 0 3. 3 is divisible by 3. Check this. 1 plus 6 plus 8 is 15, again divisible by 3. So the numbers, both the numbers are divisible by 3. Check, if you divide by 3 you get 40 and divide by 3 you get 56. Again these are the even numbers, so try it with other number. Can you imagine that both these are divisible by 4 or 8? Okay, 8 also. So the tables are very important. 8 5 is 40 and 8 7 is 56. The answer will be 5/7. Finally you will write these values which you obtain after division. So numerator and denominator you will write 5/7, and this is the lowest form. Meaning of lowest form means further division is not possible, means you cannot divide these both by any other number. अब आपको डिवाइड, आप इन दोनों को डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, तो ये सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो गए हैं. So I hope you are getting. Students, pause the video and note. So fourth part is 81 upon 108. Divide these numbers by 27. 27 3 जा 81, 27 4 जा 108. The simplest form or the lowest form is 3 upon 4. Note it down. So second is convert each of the following into a mixed fraction. First part. Now I will tell you the concept of mixed fraction. So the question is 16 upon 3. Okay students, and what is the meaning of a mixed fraction? A mixed fraction is obtained when the numerator is bigger than the denominator. See, this is your rough work. Divide 16 by 3. 3 5 ja 15. After subtraction we get the remainder 1. Now these three values are used to write this fraction into a mixed form. You can also say mixed fraction. So 5 will be as it is. Now 1 becomes the numerator, 3 becomes the denominator. Okay, sometimes maybe you make a mistake, so I tell you some other way. देखो ये नंबर ऊपर आ रहा है, ये नंबर नीचे आ रहा है, इनके सीक्वेंस चेंज कर देनी है. ओके, इस नंबर को आपको ऊपर लिखना है और इसको नीचे लिखना है. ये सबसे इजी तरीका है. इफ यू आर कंफ्यूज्ड, यूज दिस टेक्निक. द मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन इज 5 and 1 upon 3. हाउ टू रीड दिस? हाउ टू रीड 5 and 1 upon 3? So this is the answer of first part. Second part is 32 upon 7. Again perform the division. So this is rough work. 7 4 ja 28 and the remainder is again 4. So this will be 4 and this is the numerator, this becomes denominator. So 4 and 4 upon 7. Okay, and the answer will be 4 and 4 upon 7. Now fourth part is 441 upon 17. 441 upon 17. So try with the help of division. Now if you remember the table of 17, it becomes easier. 17 1 ja 17, 17 2 ja 34 and 17 3 ja 51. So it is bigger. Then we write 17 2 ja 34. Okay, and after subtraction we get 10 and 1 is copied here. It is 101. Now again consider the table. 17 5 ja 85. Okay, listen, here I am writing the table. 17 2 ja 34, 17 5 ja 17 3 ja 51, 17 4 ja 68, 17 5 ja 85 and 17 6 ja 102. So it is 17 5 ja 85 and the remainder is 15. So answer will be 25 and 15 upon 17. Here I write the answer 25 and 15 upon 17. 25 and 15 upon 17. So students, these are the answers and I have completed 2 questions of exercise 2.1. Okay, and the answer of fourth part is 25 16 upon 17. So maybe there is a mistake. Let's solve again. 441 upon 17. Okay, check again. As 17 2 ja it is 441. Okay, the number is correct. So it is 17 2s are 34. After subtraction we get 10 and 1 is copied. So with the help of table we know that 17 6 are 102. 17 6 are 102. It becomes, it is bigger. So we write 17 5 are 85. Okay, and it is okay 16. Subtraction, after subtraction, by mistake I have written 15. Okay, so it is 101 and the answer is, so maybe we make little mistake sometime. The answer is 25 and 16 upon 17. Okay students, now sincerely study the chapter. Some definitions and examples are given in the book before exercise. That is the most important part. Best of luck for your assignment.